All right, I'm here to show you something that's really neat. I want you to look here. You see how this plastic is all encaved here? If you look, it's all sucked in. This is, I'm in a basement. I'm in the basement and this is all sucked in because all of the air is trying to head upstairs, right? And I'm about to sand this basement. So if I go to sand this basement and there's any breaks in this plastic whatsoever, that dust is heading upstairs. But what I did, I stuck this fan in a window and I sealed it up somewhat, right? Watch this. Now it's all poofed out. So there's no air going upstairs anymore. The air's getting drawn down. It's getting drawn down the stairs. So as I go to sand this now, no more dust is going upstairs. So it's a reverse, just a reverse suction, and it works beautifully, guys. But if I didn't have this plastic, if I didn't have this paper up here blocking off a good chunk of this window, it would just circulate right here. You got to block off the window pretty good and just have the fan in there in order for that to happen. Because I've tried it with the other ways. Just sticking a fan up there isn't good enough. So it's a great idea. You guys have a good day. If you really like these videos, subscribe, share these videos. I've got new camera shots. I've got new sound system. I hope all of the sound quality's better. The camera shots are better. So come and see me on my new channel. Subscribe, share. We hope to see you there. You have a good day.